Finally, today we're going to talk about attentional processes, and attentional processes is actually, again, sort of a parent category. When we talk about our meta model, it is the dimension of attention, and then what we originally developed as we were building this was actually presence processes, but attention in and of itself is a more common term that's used, and so we're going to kind of use that today just to introduce these concepts. So attentional processes was included in this example related to the painful shoulder motion because we can use attention as both, again, sort of a assessment as well as a way to develop targeted interventions that target that process of change, where we can use, again, intrinsic, such as the ability for someone to be able to notice, again, maybe sort of skeletal interoceptive proprioceptive sort of awareness, such as the scapula on the thoracic, the relative sort of kinetic chain relationship between the glenoid and the humeral head, and then certainly, again, the amount of effort muscularly to be able to accomplish a movement. So those could be intrinsic cues, and extrinsic cues may be simply where you guide them to be able to target the trajectory for the movement. With attention, again, it's also something that we can use to frame a problem. So it is possible that this individual is very again, goal-oriented, and their attention is very external, and as a result, their very external nature doesn't allow them to be able to explore enough variability in movement to be able to self-adjust for possible sensitization and possible sort of fatiguing behaviors as a whole there. And so this sort of external cue may warrant developing some internal sort of attentional awareness skill, or vice versa. Again, someone may struggle to manage sort of these internal cues and need more external cues to be able to do it. So attention is a very valuable sort of process of change for it to target, because it can be a problem, it can be a way towards freedom and variability, and we want to be able to focus on it and hone in on it, but then also see its interrelatedness with other processes of change, as we're going to talk about in the final video.